Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Pinterest business profiles for traffic to Shopify step by step clearly. To enable Pinterest business profiles for traffic to Shopify, start by creating a Pinterest account. Visit the Pinterest website or open the Pinterest app. Click on the Sign Up button. Choose the option to sign up with an email address or use a Facebook or Google account. If signing up with an email, fill in your email, create a password, and enter your age. After completing the sign up, you'll be prompted to set up your profile. Fill out your profile information, including your business name and website. Select the option to create a business account. Agree to the terms and conditions to proceed. Once your account is created, click on the settings icon. Scroll down to find the Claims section. Here, you will claim your website to connect it with your Pinterest account. Enter your Shopify store URL in the provided field. Click on Claim to receive instructions. You will need to add a meta tag to your Shopify store. Copy the provided meta tag from Pinterest. Now, log into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to Online Store and click on Themes. Select the theme you want to edit and click on Actions. Choose Edit Code from the drop-down menu. Locate the theme.liquid file under the Layout directory. Paste the meta tag you copied from Pinterest into the head section of your theme.liquid file. Click Save to apply your changes. Return to Pinterest and click the Confirm button to finalize the claiming process. Once your website is claimed, set up your Pinterest business profile further. Upload a profile picture that represents your brand. Add a short bio detailing your business. Start creating boards relevant to your products or services. Make sure to optimize your pins with keywords related to your niche. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.